Jogou em cima do moleque aqui, matou o moleque no poste, ó. Uma covardia. Aí, ó, jogou o moleque no poste, ó. Olha o que fez com a moto. Com a minha moto. Olha o que fez com a moto do moleque. Olha a covardia, olha só, mano.
Keep a real good pace, built a big house, damn, look at that place. Up in my mind, cause that's my space. House so big, full of positive things. And I can't be shook, cause I ain't no rook, man, I wrote the book. Now I teach how to cook them beats like, look, making things look good. I just want trophies, blacks with a whole goal if you know me. Got a gold record on the wall, look closely. Got that record all alone, like lonely. I'm just sick of waiting, cause I feel it's frustrating when I always put the hours in. But ain't nobody wanna recognize independence, it threatens their continent. So I chase that bag, trophies are dope, but I'd rather have cash. Sitting in the bank cause I paid my tax. Living my life, my way, my path, I go. Move fast, anyone who ain't hitting full gas. Who that, choose that, hard work, that wins, true facts. I'ma go big, grind hard, throw a few jabs. Big hook next to the dome, knock her straight back down to the floor. Anyone in my way smacked, I don't take bad thoughts, no, I remove that. My team got good minds, I can prove that. Chasing, I got these dreams that I've been chasing. I've got some things I've been
Yeah. Someone definitely just yelled, bro. Oh shit, shit's about to get fucking real, bro. Oh, motherfucker, dude. Shit, this is about to be a bitch, dude.
The other side?
Yeah, bro, it's gonna be a bitch and a half. Dude, I'm like blinding the out of people. You wanna go right?
Stop! Stop! Another 23, you just had a motorcycle run the closure at Vine and Valley View.
Number 23,
What are you doing?
I just got here, like now. I came for
No shit, the road's closed. How are you here?
the bike lane.
You're not allowed to be in a bike lane right now.
Oh,
The
okay.
road is closed.
My fault, I didn't know.
What's that?
I said I didn't know. Well, I saw people walking to the bike lane. I figured I could just, you know, cut through.
You have your ID with you?
No. I don't have anything on me.
Nothing?
No, I just came to watch the end of this show, but I guess it's ended.
What's your first name?
Dylan.
How old are you?
I'm 17.
Have you ever had a license?
No. I have my permit, but not on me.
Go that way.
Can I do bike lane? Okay.
Careful. Go.
right.
I mean, it's closed.
All right. Appreciate it.
Yeah.
What's up, bro? How you doing, dude? Chilling. Speeding around. Yes, sir. You already know. Thanks, homie. God damn it, dude.
Baby, stay strong.
How you doing, sir?
Why are we hauling butt?
Sorry, home's right here. I was just scooted a little too fast. I'm sorry.
1026. Looks like you already wiped the bike out once.
Yes, sir. It was a couple months ago. I just haven't gotten fixed.
Seems like a smart thing to be doing on a 25-mile-an-hour road.
No, sir. No, sir.
Where's your driver's license?
It's in my bag.
Okay. Where do you live at? How's your driving record?
It's fairly good. I did just get pulled over for recently, probably about a week ago, for crossing lanes in the middle of an intersection.
You get a ticket?
I did. I got a ticket for not having insurance. I just got enrolled in insurance so that way I can bring that to the DMV here. I just did all that recently, like yesterday.
Well, do you have health insurance?
Yeah, I have health insurance, just I'm not insured for the bike like Progressive wise. So I signed up for Progressive yesterday. I have the registration.
Who pulled you over?
I'm not too sure.
What agency?
It was here. It was right on US 1.
Car like this?
Yeah.
Give me a minute.
All right.
The other day when you got that sight, were you wearing a helmet?
Yes.
Okay, you always wear a helmet?
Yes, sir. Always.
Okay, you have health insurance, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm trying to figure something out right now.
Okay.
It has nothing really to do with you. Just kind of came to my attention. So, would you mind just standing by for a few minutes?
Yeah.
I'm not trying to detain you anymore. I'm just going to give you a warning on everything.
Okay.
Just sit tight for a minute, okay?
Yeah.
You just want to chill out. You're more than welcome to.
Is there something up?
I have an issue with something that's on a motorcycle. You're 21 years old. You have a helmet on. There is a thing if you have can I ask you a favor?
Yeah.
Can you turn the camera off?
Yeah.
I mean, I'm not trying to do anything funny. It's
Yeah. Still connected?
That's a pretty cool way to put the GoPro there.
Oh, thanks, man. Yeah, I actually, so on a lot of cameras, there's not really a flat surface to mount it right here.
So you guys have been cool. I'm not gonna write a ticket. I mean, I'd have to write it 90 to 120 days out anyway, and you're not gonna be here for it. Plates are expired on it, but luckily the governor has waived all that stuff for right now.
I'm waiting on mine to come from Florida because I just got it. I bought it here, and then I got it registered in Florida, and then now Corona's got all the plates and everything.
Just letting you know, everything's waived for right now, so you're lucky on that. All in all, could have been a couple $100 worth of tickets and a suspended driver's license.
Yikes.
So
Understood.
take it out in the country and, you know, be a
Away from you guys, right. Thank you very much.
Congratulations, you're first.
Well, no. How about air bump?
Let's do that, yeah.
There you go.
First cop to pull me over on this.
Well,
I
hopefully I'm the last.
Hopefully.
And hopefully I'm not the one that's finding your corpse if you turn it into a grease spot.
Sure. Greatly appreciate it, sir.
All right.
Got you, sir. Have a great day.
Stay safe.
You guys be safe.